Choosing the right jump starter can make a huge difference when you are dealing with a dead car battery, especially when you are on the road, far from home, or in an emergency situation. Between starting power, safety protection, battery capacity, portability, extra features, and ease of use, not all jump starters offer the same level of reliability. To help you choose, I've selected the top 3 jump starters you can get right now, based on power, safety features, convenience, and value for money. In the third, I picked the Povasi jump starter with air compressor, and this one is a very interesting option if you want something more versatile than a basic jump starter. The first thing I liked about it is the all-in-one design. It is not only made to jumpstart a car battery, it also includes a built-in air compressor, an LCD display, a flashlight, USB charging, SOS lighting, and a storage case. So instead of carrying separate tools in your car, this gives you several emergency functions in one compact device. In terms of jump-starting power, it offers 5,000 amps peak current, which is made for 12-volt vehicles and can support up to 9-liter gas and 8-liter diesel engines. That gives it enough power for cars, SUVs, trucks, and other larger vehicles. When you need to restart a dead battery, having this amount of power gives you more confidence, especially during a road trip or in cold weather. The built-in air compressor is one of its biggest advantages. It can inflate tires up to 150 psi, and it includes preset inflation modes, auto stop, and different nozzles. I like this because it is useful not only for car tires, but also for motorcycles, bikes, balls, and small inflatables. The LCD screen makes it easier to see the pressure and avoid overinflating. The flashlight is also practical. You get emergency lighting, and the SOS mode can be useful if you are stuck on the side of the road at night. This is the kind of feature you hope you never need, but it is reassuring to have. Another strong point is the safety system. It includes multiple protections against reverse polarity, short circuits, overheating, overcharging, overcurrent, and more. For a jump starter, this is important because most people are not mechanics, and protection systems help make the process safer and easier. Now, it is not perfect. The air pump should not be used continuously for too long, because it can get hot, so you need to let it cool down between uses. Customer feedback is also mixed on battery life, even though many users say it works well for jump starts and tire inflation. Overall, the Povasi jump starter is a great choice if you want a practical emergency tool that can do more than just start a car. It is powerful, portable, useful for tires, and well-equipped for roadside emergencies. That is why I placed it at number 3. Secondly, I chose the Ansel supercapacitor starter, and this one is very different from a traditional portable jump starter. The first thing that makes it stand out is the supercapacitor design. Instead of being a standard battery booster that you keep in the trunk, this system is permanently connected to your vehicle's battery. The idea is that it stays ready all the time, so you do not have to worry about forgetting to charge a portable jump starter. In use, this makes a lot of sense for people who want long-term battery protection. Once installed, the Ansel acts like a proactive battery maintainer and smart health monitor. It helps support the battery, monitors important information, and can give you alerts if something is wrong. It provides 700 amps peak current, which is designed for 12-volt vehicles and can help with weak or difficult starts. It is especially interesting for people who drive older vehicles, work trucks, motorcycles, RVs, vans, or vehicles that may sit unused for long periods. Another thing I liked is the app monitoring. You can check battery voltage, temperature, charge level, and jumpstart history directly from your phone. This gives you much more visibility than a basic jump starter, because you are not just reacting when the battery is dead. You can actually monitor the battery condition over time. The temperature range is also impressive. It is designed to work from -40 degrees Fahrenheit to 176 degrees Fahrenheit, which makes it a strong option for harsh weather conditions. If you live somewhere with very cold winters or very hot summers, that kind of protection can be a real advantage. Installation is another point customers seem to like. Once it is connected, it becomes a set it and forget it system. You do not have to pull it out, connect clamps, or check if it is charged every few months. It stays with the vehicle and is always ready. Now, this is not the same type of product as the other two. It is not a portable power bank, and it does not include an air compressor. It is more of a permanent battery protection and jump assist system. Also, some users mention mixed feedback about Bluetooth connectivity, so the app experience may not be perfect for everyone. Overall, the Ancel is a smart choice if you want something permanently installed, low maintenance, and focused on battery health. It is not the most traditional jump starter, but for people who want a proactive system that stays ready all the time, it is a very interesting option. That is why I placed it at number 2. And to finish, first of all, I picked the Noco, and this one is the most premium portable jump starter in this top 3. The first thing that stands out is the power. It delivers 3,000 amps of peak lithium power, and it is designed for engines up to 9.0-liter gas and 7.0-liter diesel. That makes it suitable for cars, trucks, SUVs, RVs, tractors, boats, and other 12-volt vehicles. If you want a serious jump starter that can handle larger engines, this is the one that feels the most professional. What I really liked is how easy it is to use. The clamps are strong, the design feels rugged, and the safety features make the connection process more reassuring. It has spark-proof technology and reverse polarity protection, which helps prevent mistakes when connecting the cables. That is important because in an emergency, you want something simple and safe. The battery capacity is also a strong point. Noco says it can deliver up to 80 starts per charge, depending on the vehicle and conditions. That makes it a great tool to keep in a car, truck, garage, or emergency kit. You do not want to discover that your jump starter is empty when you need it, so having strong reserve power is a real advantage. Another useful feature is the integrated power bank. You can use it to charge phones, tablets, and other USB devices, which makes it helpful during travel, camping, or power outages. It recharges in around 7 hours, so you can prepare it in advance and keep it ready. The built-in LED flashlight is also very useful. It has 500 lumens and 7 light modes, including SOS and strobe. If you have to jumpstart a vehicle at night, check your engine bay, or signal for help, this light is a real bonus. The build quality feels strong too. It has an IP65 rated housing that helps protect against water, dust, and impact. It is still compact enough to keep in a vehicle, but it feels tougher and more durable than cheaper jump starters. Now, the main downside is the price. This is more expensive than many portable jump starters, and customer feedback is mixed on battery life, reliability, and long-term durability. Some users say it works extremely well, while others report issues after some time, so it is important to maintain it properly and keep it charged. But overall, the Noco is the best choice in this ranking if you want a powerful, rugged, portable jump starter for larger vehicles. It has strong starting power, good safety features, a built-in power bank, a powerful flashlight, and a durable design. That is why I placed it at number 1. That's it for this top 3 jump starters. As you've seen, each model has its own strengths. Whether you want an all-in-one option with an air compressor, a smart permanently mounted system, or a powerful portable jump starter for larger vehicles. The best choice depends on your vehicle, your budget, and the kind of emergency features you want to keep with you. A good jump starter can give you peace of mind on the road, help you restart a dead battery quickly, and even save you from waiting for roadside assistance. I hope this video helped you find the right jump starter for your car. If you are interested in the product, the link is in the description. But above all, Subscribe to not miss the next videos. See you soon.